Sometimes for reasons out of your control, you are going to have to cancel a reservation or multiple reservations depending on what is happening. If, for example, you live in an area like Florida, where you're often affected by tropical storms at this time of year, you may have to actually close the business for one particular day. And you may have, like in this example, many different reservations that you're going to have to contact to explain the situation. You can obviously phone each person, which is great if you have the time and the ability. Sometimes it just isn't the time to do that. So, what we can do is automate that process for you. You can go to the date and time that you need to cancel on a particular event, and you'll see the word contact. You just hit the word contact. This is going to change for you and ask how you'd like to contact the people. Text message only, email only, text and email. Obviously, that's where possible. It just depends whether you have everybody's email and phone number. Once you've selected how you want to contact them, it will pop up. I've set in this example, text all. It's going to pop up with any standard messages that you have in here, or you have the ability to add in an ad hoc message where you can just type a one-time message. I'm just going to go ahead and select the storm message. So it gives you a preview of what you're going to send to people. We are sorry to inform you that due to local storm conditions, we are forced to close today. Please use the following link to reschedule your reservation. And you'll see it's actually sending them here an individual link to each of those people. This is a photo of my phone, just so you can see I've got this message. It's come straight through to me. Here I have got the hyperlink. Once I click on that hyperlink, it's going to take me into the calendar because the system already knows what I have booked. So I don't need to reselect any tickets or reselect any pricing. I just need to select a new date. I've selected the 22nd. It's going to tell me what times are available on that particular date. I'm going to select a time. Then it's going to give me a quick preview. Change your reservation with Water Sports Inc. for the Volcano Tour from Tuesday the 16th to Monday the 22nd, 2022 at 12 p.m. As long as I'm happy with this, I can just go ahead and click confirm. It will automatically move my reservation in the system, and it will then send me a new confirmation of all my new details. Very simple, very easy, great for the customer, great for you. Now, obviously, the customer's going to have this link, which you might then say, well, I don't want to suddenly reschedule again. If having once used the link, they try to use it again, the system will know that reservation has been rescheduled. So it's going to give them the error message that it can't find your reservation to reschedule because it's looking for the original date and time. Obviously, there is a couple of reasons. You've already rescheduled your reservation, you waited too long, or you have the wrong URL in there. 9 times out of 10 is that they've already rescheduled or that they have actually exceeded your time limit. This is just a quick preview of one of the awesome features that we have to help you automate your business.